Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, my name is Shweta. I create content on skincare and makeup, and it would mean the world to me if you please subscribe to my channel. So here I have created a sunny summer effortless nude look. And if you want to know how I transformed from this to this, so please keep watching. Okay, so I'll start with the primer by e.l.f. and this is the Poreless Putty Primer. This is the best drugstore primer you're gonna get in the market. I have some open pores area on my cheeks and I'm going to use this primer to brighten up and fill in my pores. Next, I'm using color corrector by LA Girl in the shade orange. So color correction is very important for that flawless base, and if you have a blue undertone, you should use an orange or a peach color corrector to neutralize the skin tone. And I'm applying my under eye areas as I have dark circles and on the some of the dark spots on my face. So for settling this up, I'm using Camo Sponge by e.l.f. and this is the best beauty blender in the market. And after applying this, I'm going to completely look like a Garfield here. So next is foundation, and here I'm using foundation by e.l.f. in the shade nude. I'm just going to use one drop and I'm going to apply everywhere on my face, eyes, and in the end you're going to see I'm not going to waste any product. So for settling this up, I'm using another side of the same sponge and dabbing it out. And here comes the concealer time. Over here I'm using LA Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beige. This is true to my skin tone and I'm going to follow 2021 trend here where less is more. And you're going to see I'm going to use it with the same sponge to get that perfect base here. Next I'm using Brow Pencil by e.l.f. and this is the Lash Gel by e.l.f. I'm going to follow 2021 trend, so you can see how I'm going to work it here. I'm starting with the brows with Lash Gel and then after a few seconds I'm going to fill up the gaps with the Brow Pencil. So for eyelid, I'll be using very minimal shades, and to start that, I'm going to prep with the eyelid primer by e.l.f. in the shade Sheer. So just by one swatch and mixing up with your finger, you'll be good to go. Next, I'm moving for the eyeshadows and using two palettes by Revolution and Wet n Wild. So I'll start with this nude shade for the initial setup from Wet n Wild, and with just few shades it will be done. I'm starting with the crease for both of the eyes. So for enhancing my eyes, I am using nude glitters from the Revolution, and with the help of my finger I am going to push it in on my lid. In the end, I am going to show the very close-up look of my eyes. It will be very minimal. And this is the close-up look of my eyes. Just with the two shades, as you can see, it is just giving me that glowy look. So with ongoing 2021 trend, I am going to skip liner and creating little bit foxier look by that dark color from the Revolution palette. So next comes mascara, and I am using the lightest version from the Wet n Wild and the eyelash color from the Vega. I'll start curling my lashes. And scooping it up with the mascara. For my lower lash, I am using e.l.f. Clear Gel Mascara, and trust me guys, it is going to enhance your eyes in no seconds. So for bronzing, I am using bronzer by My Glam Pose in the shade Cinnamon, and with the help of Kabuki brush, I am going to give a definition on my cheeks. This is the most amazing drugstore bronzer I have discovered, which is going to give you that high-end warmth on your face and to contour. So blush is the favorite part for me, and I am going to use palette from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Vivid Victory and gently applying on my face, little bit on my nose. I just love that flushy looks. So this is my new obsession for e.l.f. Cosmetics. So for highlighter, I am using the e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Bubbly and gently applying on the high points of my cheeks. I am going to create a full video about talking about this highlighter. This is amazing, guys. So finishing up my look with a nude shade lipstick from Miss Claire collection in the shade 56, easy to glide and easy to apply. In the end, I have also applied setting spray, and I am going to link everything in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.